Hi everyone, hello. All right, today we are talking about a topic that is very interesting. All right, very exciting topic today. What are we talking about? We are talking about animals. All right, what are we talking about today? We are talking about animals. All right, let's all say animals. Very good. Let's all say animals. Let's write animals. This is how you write animals. It's Animals. 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 All right. We are talking about animals today. All right. Animals are those things that are not human beings, not like us, not like me or like the other teacher. They are human beings. Those are humans. Teachers, yourself, your parents, your mama, your papa, they are people. They are not animals, right? They are people. They are people, all right? So we've got animals and we've got people, all right? I am person, so I fall under people. A cat is a person. People, no. A cat is an animal, all right? Dogs are animals, all right? Asians are people, all right? Americans are people, all right? Africans are people, all right? So there's a difference. They are animals, dog, cat, monkey, cow, lion. They are all animals, all right? Animals, all right? They are animals. But me, I'm a person. Me and you, we are people. School children are people. Teachers are people. Doctors are people. Nurses are people. All right. So we're talking today, we're making a distinction between animals and people. All right. Now, I've told you, and I'm going to ask you a question to see if you understand what am I talking about here. Please look at this picture. Are these animals or people? 3, 2, 1. Very good. Yes. These are people. All right. These are people. These are people. Animals? No, they are not animals. All right. Enough about people because our topic is not about people today. So our topic is about animals. Okay. Let's look at these following animals that are very interesting and that we love. Okay. The first one. This is an animal. What animal is this? 3, 2, 1. This is a cow. Very good. This is a cow. Okay, you're going to have to say it after me, all right? This is a cow. Excellent. This is a cow. Excellent. So it's cow, cow. Right? This is a cow. Very good. This is a cow. This is a cow. All right. I could ask you a question. What animal is this? Excellent. A cow. What animal is this? It's a cow. Very good. This is a cow. Okay. What animal is this? Cow. All right. Cow. 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 All right. So this is the animal. It eats grass and it has 4 legs. That's why we call it an animal. So it's eating grass. That's what it eats. It eats grass. All right. This is a car. All right, our second animal is this one. What animal is this? Look very closely. What animal is this? What animal is this? 3, 2, 1. Right. This is a goat. A goat. All right. This is how you spell goat. This one, let me put it on the side. This one, we call it a goat. 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 So you're going to have to do your mouth like this. Go, go, goat. All right? Goat. So you're going to have to do your mouth like go. So it's like O, but now you put the G and it's goat. So it's goat. All right? Goat. And you put the T at the end. So it's goat. Yes, very good. You're learning. You're learning. I love it. Let's go. Let's say it 5 times. Goat. 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 All right. At the end, you don't emphasize the T. It's not goats. It's just goat. So try to be light with your tongue. So it's goat. Very good. Yeah. So it's goat. Yes, goat. All right, this is a goat. It's a very cute animal also. All right, this is a goat. The third animal is this one. What animal is this? Oh, very good. Excellent. You are very right. This is a chicken. All right. Oh, you remember the song? My name is Chicken. All right. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Chicky, chicky, chicky. Excellent. All right. This is a chicken. 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 It has an N at the end, so it's chicken. Very good. Okay, let's pronounce it 5 times. How many times are you going to pronounce? 5. All right. All right. Chicken. All right. All right. Chicken. 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 Very good. This is a chicken. All right. This is a chicken. This is a chicken. Remember the color? I told you about the color. What color is the chicken? Color? Red. Very good. This chicken is red. Okay. The color of the chicken is, it has a little bit of white, but let's just say it's red for argument's sake. So this is a red chicken. All right. Chicken. All right. Let's move on to the next one. What do we call this animal? Do you guys know what animal is this? All right. This is a sheep. Excellent. Excellent. This is a sheep. A sheep. A sheep. A sheep. Sheep. Very good. A sheep. A sheep. A sheep. Excellent. All right. This is a sheep. This is a sheep. Okay. So we know now what is a sheep. All right. The last one. The last animal is this one. Wait a minute. What animal is this? All right. Yes, you are right. This is fish. Excellent. This is fish. This is how you spell fish. This is fish. Fish. All right. Let's pronounce it 5 times. So it's fish. All right. Fish. 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 All right. Let's pronounce it 5 times. 1, 2. Fish, 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 fish. Very good. Excellent. Excellent. This is the fish. This is the fish. All right. All right. So these are the animals that we are talking about today. All of these animals, it's animals that you can cook and eat. All right. We call them, they are eatable animals. So you can cook and eat. You can have food out of these animals. All right. It's animals that are allowed for you to have food. All right. You can have food out of these animals. All right. These animals were 5 animals I've shown you. All right. Number 1 was, which animal was the first one? This one. It was this one. You're forgetting. You're forgetting. It was this one. What animal is this? We said this is a, wait. We said this is a cow. Excellent. This is a cow. What animal is this? This is a cow. Cow. All right. Cow. Let's do our thing. Pronounce it 5 times. Cow. 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 Okay, so it's cow. Cow. All right. Let's do it 2 times. Cow. Cow. Excellent. All right. This is a cow. This is a cow. This is a cow. All right. And then the second one was, the second animal was, it was this animal. Yeah, what animal is this? This is a goat. All right. This is a goat. This is a goat. All right. Let's pronounce it. So it's you see, goat. All right. Goat. So the word has to come from the throat. Goat. Goat. It's not a goat. It's a goat. It comes from the throat. All right. Let's now say it. 1, 2, 3. We're saying it 5 times. All right. 1, 2, 3. Goat. 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 Very good. At the end, it's T. Goat. At the end, so the T is very light. You don't have to say tss. It's not a goat. It's a goat. All right. It's a goat. It has to be light at the end. All right. Goat. Excellent. Goat. Very good. Goat. Goat. So it's a goat. All right. Cool. All right. The next animal is going to be this one. This animal. All right. We even said the color of this animal is red. This is, remember there's a song about this animal you sang? Very good. Very good. This is chicken. Chicken. So this one, it has to be, it's not she, it's ch. So it's ch. So it's chicken. All right. Chicken. Chicken. Okay, let's pronounce it 5 times. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Chicken. 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 All right. This is the chicken. Look at it. It's chicken, this one. Chicken. Okay. And then there's this one. We said this is sheep. 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 All right, let's say it 5 times, okay? 1, 2, 3. Sheep. 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 Excellent. Sheep. All right. And then we've looked at this one, which we all love. Okay, we look at this one. This one, what animal is this? It's a fish. Right. This is a fish. 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 All right. Let's say it one more time. Fish. All right. All right. Just remember this one, it doesn't stay on the land. It stays, where do you find this animal? You find it in water. All right. You find it in water. You find it in water. This one stays in water. If it's outside of water, it's not going to survive. All right. This one stays in water and we call it fish. 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 Excellent. Where do you find fish? Very good. You find fish in water. All right. Let's remove the names. Let's remove the names. Let's remove the names. Let's remove the names. And let's remove the names and just say animals. And see if we know the animals. All right. The first one we're looking at is, I told you, sheep. 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 Excellent. Excellent. Chicken. 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 Excellent. Excellent. Goat. 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 Excellent. 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 Cow. 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 Excellent. Excellent. Fish. 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 Excellent. Fish. Fish. Excellent. Very good. All right. Where do we find fish? In water. All right. Where do we find fish? In water. Okay. All right. All right. All right. All right. This is an animal. All right. This is a animal. All right. This is a animal. Come on. This is a animal. Right. This is a animal. This is an animal. All right. This is an animal. This is an animal. Excellent. This is an animal. Excellent. All right. And these are people. Excellent. I love it. Animals, people. Animals, people. Animals, people. All right. These are different people. All right. Male, female, they all people. All right. People. Animals, people. All right. Me and you, we are people. Teachers, they are people. But a sheep is not a people. Sheep are not people. Goats are not people. All right. Fish are not people. All right. Fish are animals. Goats are animals. All right. These are animals. All right. Let's look at our animals last time. All right. Let's look at our animals last time. Sheep. 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 Goat. 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 Chicken. 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 Fish. 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 And the last one is a cow. The last one is a cow. All right. Thank you very much for listening to me. I really appreciate you today. Remember, animals and people, not the same. Animals and people. All right. Thank you very much for listening. See you next time. Bye-bye.